Capital Plus Borrower Funded Timeline. My name is Quentin Banks. We're about to get right into this. If you are new to the channel, of course, make sure you guys like and subscribe. That is the easiest way that you guys will actually receive the latest and greatest information. Also, with that information, you guys will actually be entered in my giveaway that I'll be doing each and every month. And it's very, very easy. All you guys gotta do is like and subscribe. Like, how easy is that, right? We're gonna be talking about Capital Plus, PPP Extension, Borrower Funded Timeline as well. If you guys got questions at any time in this video, feel free to drop your questions, comments, and concerns below. I know a lot of people, have Capital Plus. They're waiting for their dash card or whatever the case may be. They're waiting to get funded. I will try my best to help you guys as always. Once again, my name is Quentin Banks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get right into this video. Before we begin, don't forget to check my playlist out, because a lot of people was asking me about the PPP extension. Is it extended? Was people getting funded? Feel free to go over to my channel. You can type in Quentin Banks on YouTube, or you can just go over to my name under this video, and you guys will see the playlist that says PPP Extension. Very, very simple, guys, but I tried to break it down as easy as possible for you guys. But yeah, let's get right into this. Like I say before, financial institutions watching my content, they actually sometimes give me content to post. So it's best if you guys stay tuned, and that way you guys are updated with the latest and greatest information, guys. So yeah, let's get right to this. Capital Plus Borrower Funded Timeline, and this goes for anybody who have been waiting for their Capital Plus timeline, or Capital Plus payment, I should say. So yeah, let's get right to this. They begin to say, I'm assuming from previous posts that Capital Plus deposits on Thursday/Fridays. The last batch was funded 6/25, so 14 days later would be 7/9. Hopefully that is our deposit date. Let's keep each other updated. Hopefully we are all funded by Friday. So that does look like the case. And as I talked about before, Capital Plus, I'm not going to say all lenders because I don't know, but they do seem, for the most part, they do seem to be funding people in batches, meaning they may fund, let's say, 2,000 people on Friday, right? Let's just say throw out a date on 6/15, right? Not the next week, but then the week after 6/29, 2 weeks later, they may fund another batch, so that's how it kind of works. I know a lot of people was questioning, well, what's the timeline? How does it work? They fund off batches. They also fund off there's no alphabetical order, anything like that, but I do see a lot of batches, and it does sometimes play out where they may fund a couple alphabetical as far as A, B, C, but it's not really like that. It's just really how how their criteria is. Their criteria may be, okay, we're going to fund people who's going to receive a loan up to $15,000, up to $20,000, up to $10,000, up to $8,000. Really all just depends, but it does look like that's how they're doing it. Somebody said I had Capital Plus deposit on 7/1 Thursday, but it happened right after midnight, so it was more like Wednesday night. Anyone who is using Fidelity, change to something else before you get funded. I am on day 1, don't even know what, trying to access my own money. Just a word to the wise. So they're basically saying change your banking, basically. Now, if you have the option for cash card, dash card, cash app, whatever, feel free to change if you feel like that's the best possible way. I talked about the dash card in my other videos, and you guys know, I think the dash card is a good idea. That way, for a fact that you will be receiving your funds on the card, and it's going to be presented by the IRS and your lender. Sometimes it is stressful. People get stressed out when it comes to waiting on their lender, waiting to see how long it's going to take to get funded. All of that good stuff. Somebody say, amen. I am praying we get funded or something by tomorrow or Thursday, maybe even Friday. So hopefully, if things check out right, everybody will be funded in the right way. You know, we all know if I will keep you guys updated as well if you guys get funded. Somebody said I've been on BF since 621 and nothing. Capital Plus, WOMPLY, have you checked? They said yes, it says dispersed current, but no funds yet. Somebody began to say, how soon does ConWeb update your status when you get to BF on WOMPLY? They said about a week. You know, somebody said mine was on Friday, June 25th. So it does look like they're pushing those through. As I talked about, they are working hard to push those through, especially when it comes to that extension. We talked about that extension as well, as far as that PPP loan extension on my channel as well. They had an extra 30 days to actually fund everybody. So that's what they're working on now. They're working on people who've been processed, who've been, you can check your status to see exactly borrower funded, what your status is. But those extra 30 days have been awarded to people who actually been waiting for their funds. You know, at the end of the day, they've just been waiting for their funds. And as I said in the previous video, feel free to go to my channel. You'll see a playlist that says PPP Extension at any time for your latest updates. Feel free to drop a comment below. Let me know where you guys stand, where your loan process is. I will try my best to help you guys. Once again, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Funded PPP. We're going to be talking about the Dash Card. We're also going to be talking about Chime. We're going to be talking about PPP Extension. As I always say, make sure you guys like and subscribe. That way you guys are in tune with the latest and greatest information. If you guys don't know, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. I'm here to provide the latest and greatest information to you. A lot of financial institutions, even the IRS, they send me a lot of documents and they want me to review with you guys and show you guys. So with that being said, I will try my best to keep you guys updated. I know for a fact that my information has helped a lot of people, and I also just want to continue to help a lot of people as well. Now, when it comes down to it, if you guys got questions, feel free to drop those questions and concerns below. As I always say, like I said, financial institutions, they watch my content. They actually read the comments as well, so they will actually hopefully help and comment in the comment section you guys and help you guys when you guys need help, as far as if you guys are stuck at any point in time, especially during this process. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we're gonna get right to this. I have somewhat of a timeline when it comes to the Dash Card, because a lot of people was questioning the Dash Card and asking how do they get their money? Is their money preloaded on the Dash Card? What exactly needs, what needs to be done?